Have you ever worked on a project that was over budget and behind schedule? Most people in our industry have. Design changes especially often cost much more than we expect that they will. When you're thinking about redesigning a feature or adopting a new trend, budget is a big concern. Budgeting for design changes is about more than money. Of course, the financial cost is important. We rarely recommend starting any business-related conversation by saying, "Now, forget about money for a second." But there are other important things to keep in mind when thinking about what you can realistically afford to build. Think about how much time the design change will take. Think about the technical resources required. And think about how much testing your team should plan to do. Estimate how much time will be needed to make the design change happen. How much time will you need at the start of the project to observe and understand existing user needs? What's a realistic estimate for how long your team will need to design this feature? Then, consider the time constraints on the project. Is there a hard deadline here? Does the design have to be live in a month? Or is this project going to be rolled out over the next year? When creating a budget, think about the technical resources needed. Is this change something that needs one designer or a whole team? Will your team need support from development, QA, marketing, and other departments? Finally, build a plan for testing into your budget. What research do you need to get started? What's the long-term plan on testing? And how does that fit into the research cycle that your team already follows? Thinking about the costs of a design change early on can help projects from going over budget. Understanding the many resources required can help your team create a budget that you can stick to.